climb inside the 2009 Toyota Camry. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 35,000 miles. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, fully automatic headlights, and power windows. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.